Hey everyone, today we are diving into a classic pair of headphones that has been a staple in studios around the world, the Sony MDR-7506. If you're after headphones that offer exceptional sound quality and durability without all the bells and the whistles, then this video is for you.
Wait, are you telling me these headphones are the grandmaster of the audio world?
Exactly, Tom. The Sony MDR-7506 has been trusted by professionals for decades. From recording studios to broadcast environments, these headphones are renowned for their reliability and superb sound reproduction. And guess what? We have got a product link in the description box down below for the Sony MDR-7506 along with all the other headphones we are going to compare it against, so that you can check them out and grab any discounts we might have found for you.
Awesome! I love a good deal as much as I love good sound.
Here's a quick fun fact. The MDR-7506 has been around since 1991 and remains a top choice for audio professionals even today. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about these iconic headphones. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. First impressions are crucial, and the MDR-7506 definitely stands out. They might not win any beauty contests with their retro design, but they are built to last.
Yeah, they look like they came straight out of a 90s music video. But I gotta say, they do look sturdy.
That's right. They feature a durable, foldable design, which makes them perfect for professionals on the go. The silver studio monitor label and color-coded left and right indicators ensure you're always wearing them correctly.
And what's up with the coiled cable? It looks like it could double as a slinky.
It's a 3-meter long coil cable. While it can be a bit heavy and prone to tangling, it offers great flexibility in a studio setting. Let's talk tech specs. The MDR-7506 features 40mm dynamic drivers, a frequency response rate of 10 Hz to 20,000 Hz, which is very impressive, an impedance of 63 ohms, and a sensitivity of 106 decibels.
Wow, slow down here, tech wizard. What does all that mean for someone like me?
Simply put, it means these headphones can deliver a wide range of sound frequencies with good sensitivity, making them versatile for different audio sources, including mobile devices and professional studio equipment.
Got it, so they are powerful but not too power hungry.
Exactly. You don't need a powerful amplifier to drive these headphones. They work great with everything from smartphones to professional audio interfaces. Now onto the performance. The MDR-7506 is known for its accurate sound reproduction. They emphasize the high mid-range, which makes them excellent for picking out detail in recordings.
So not the best for bass-heavy music, right?
Correct. The bass is present but not overwhelming. These headphones are designed for critical listening, which means they reveal any imperfections in your audio.
Great for studio work then.
Absolutely. Whether you are mixing, recording, or editing, the MDR-7506 provides and detailed sound. Let's break down the pros and cons.
Hit me with the good stuff first.
Well, let's start with the pros. Number 1, durability. These headphones are built like a tank. Number 2, sound accuracy. These headphones are excellent for critical listening and professional use. Number 3, comfort. The headphones are very lightweight and they have adjustable headband. Number 4, portability. The headphones have a foldable design, making them easy to transport.
And not too good?
Now let's get to the cons. Number 1, the cable. The coil cable is heavy and prone to tangling. Number 2, the design. The retro look isn't for everyone, and the exposed cables can be a concern.
Sounds like a mix-it bag, but the pros definitely seem to outweigh the cons.
When comparing the Sony MDR-7506 to similar products like the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x and the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro, the MDR-7506 holds its own.
How so?
The Audio-Technica ATH-M50x offers a more modern design and detachable cables, but the MDR-7506 is still preferred by many for its detailed mid and high frequencies. The Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro has better bass response and comfort, but it's also bulkier and more expensive.
So it's really about what you need them for.
Exactly. If you need a durable, detailed, and portable pair of headphones for professional use, the MDR-7506 is a solid choice. Finally, let's talk price to value. The Sony MDR-7506 price ranges between $90 and $110, which is quite reasonable for professional-grade headphones.
That's less than I expected for such a legendary pair.
Indeed, they offer great value for money, especially considering the durability and performance.
So they are a good investment?
Definitely, if you need reliable, high-quality headphones for studio work, the MDR-7506 is worth every penny. So, there you have it, folks. The Sony MDR-7506 headphones are a true classic, still holding strong in today's market.
Fantastic. Thanks for watching, buddies, and see you in the next video.